Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to manage guest list on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is sign into your account and then scroll and choose this your profile image section on the top right corner here. Click on my invitations and wait for the page to set out, and once it's loaded completely, you will see all your invitations here. Then click on manage events. On this manage events page, you would see the list of guests invited and the ones that have RSVP'd. So you would see them here, and you can edit each of them. So this is a guest. So although this is the host, so others, if as for this particular invite, I have not sent it out. So just basically for the purpose of the tutorial. So you can edit it by clicking on the pen icon. Then you can set all of this to what you want. Click on save, and then other, if there are other guests would appear below, you can also edit each of them. And that's how to actually manage your guest list on Evite. So if this video has been helpful to you guys in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.